Today, I want to talk about the importance of money because the name of the channel is Be Rich. But most of us think that money can buy us happiness. And if you have a lot of money, you can buy happiness. What I want to realize is money cannot buy you happiness. Money can buy you only freedom and independence. This is not my original statement. This is what Warren Buffett said. What do I mean by when I say money can buy you independence? It basically gives you the freedom to do what you want to do. You are not bound to a 9 to 5 job. You can follow your passion, you can follow your heart, and you can do things what you are interested in. Money can give you a comfortable place to stay. Money can make sure that you can eat regular meals. Money can make sure that if you fall sick without any troubles, you can buy medicines and access best of doctors. Money can ensure that you can put your children through good education. This is all money can do. Money can make sure that you have enough dress to wear, a car to drive, and visit places you can. There is a big mistaken notion that money can buy happiness. Happiness is an experience, it's a personal thing, and no amount of money can buy it. Today, I wanted to talk about this in great detail. So, before I get into this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button. If you have subscribed, persuade your friends and relatives to subscribe. Oh, don't forget to turn on the bell notification. For if you have not turned on the bell notification, you will not get a video. The algorithm does not send the video to everybody who has subscribed. You need to have the bell notification on for the video to reach you. So today I want to talk to you about what money can give you. Money can give you great experiences. Suppose I wanted to visit Disneyland as a child and I want to have the experience of visiting Disneyland. Money can ensure that I can buy a ticket to Hong Kong or Tokyo or Paris or to America in any of these locations where Disneyland is there and have good fun for 3 days. This experience will last with me for life. It can also make sure that I can go to Himalayas if I want, have a trek up the Himalayas and enjoy nature and scenic beauty. But you don't need to have extraordinary amount of money to do these things. If you are watching regularly YouTube channels, you will find about small Indian kids, both boys and girls, who have traveled around the world for a year or two, only funding money from their YouTube channel and using that money to bootstrap their way around the world for a year or two. So, what you need is the ability to take 2 years out of your life, put on a backpack, and travel step by step and find the cheapest way to travel. There are many such Indian kids who have traveled all around the world. You don't have to be a Warren Buffett or a Ratan Tata to travel across the world. The money is required when you want to travel in luxury and with all comforts. If you are willing to sacrifice some basic comforts for the joy of experience and joy of traveling, it is quite possible to travel without spending money. You should know how to differentiate between needs and wants. Needs are what you need absolutely necessary, and wants are your desires. That is, depending on the kind of money you have, and if your desire for jeans, you can decide to have a regular Indian brand like Flying Machine, or you may decide to go for Levi's. Both Levi's and Flying Machine are functional. The amount of money you will have will decide whether you buy a Levi's, Strauss, or you buy a Flying Machine. But the smart person will decide how much money he has and how much he can spend. Those who can afford to spend the money should buy Levi's, and those who aspire to buy Levi's and cannot afford it must definitely buy a cheaper brand. The other most important thing that money can do for you is ability to buy time. If you have really accumulated your assets and earned some money, then you have the luxury of not working for some time. You can get a greater time off and you can spend your time with your friends and relatives and have a good time. You also can take time off to do self improvement courses across universities and greater places of greater learning. But it is money and the way you have invested it that will give you the time which you can take time off from your work. Once in a way, you should know how to treat yourself. I am pretty bad at that. I don't let go, and my brother keeps reminding me of this. When it comes to spending on myself, I try to scrimp and squirm and not spend money. It takes my brother to push me to buy myself something which I need but will not buy because of the amount of money that is required. You should not follow me. And really, if you have the kind of money and can afford to pay by cash, go ahead and spend it. Finally, if you have really made money over a period of time and you don't need the kind of money you have to learn to give away. My father was a great philanthropist. Through good times and bad times, he nearly gave away a 1 lakh rupee a month for last 20 years of his life. I don't think I can match that. But there are men like Warren Buffett and Bill Gates who are giving away most of their fortune instead of hoarding it for their children. We must emulate these people. Finally, what should money be used for? Money should be used for reducing stress. There are two ways of doing coping up with life. There are positive stress and there is negative stress. Some amount of stress is required for humans to make progress and do work. But most of the stress that is involved in our life is basically negative stress, which leads to fear and choking. And this leads to dangerous consequences medically. So, you should have enough money to avoid financial stress. Try to live within your means. I have seen people who could have led a comfortable upper middle class life who tried to overstretch, buy a car, buy a house which they could not afford, and ended in grief and became lower middle class. So, learn to live within your means and take fiscal risks which you can manage. Thank you for watching. Be Rich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Be Rich.